Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix time synchronization failed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your time synchronization failed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you 3 to 4 steps. By this we can fix this issue. The first method is you just need to click on start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this you need to find Windows time service. Just press the W key, scroll down, you can see a Windows time. Double click on that, then click on log on, then select this option local system account, check mark this option, then click on apply, then click OK. After that you just need to right click on that, then click on start the services. After that click on the start the services, then close this window and check whether it is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. For that you just need to press Windows plus R key. In this you need to type timedate.cpl. Then hit enter. Double P, you have to just type only single P, then click OK. After that click on change time zone. Before clicking change time zone you have to just click on this internet time, then click on change setting. Here you have to select another server, then click on update now. Then click on OK, then click on OK. After that you have to open the registry editor, click on search menu, then type here regedit. Right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In this you can see here HK local machine, double click and expand. After that you need to expand the software. After that you need to find the Microsoft, double click and expand. After that you need to find the Windows, double click and expand the Windows. After that current version, double click and expand. Date time, you can see here date time, double click and expand. After that you can see here servers, just you need to single click on that, come to the right section, right click on that, click on new, then click on string value and you have to rename it as 3. Then double click on that. Here you have to type pool.ntp.org. Then click OK. After that just right click again, click on new, click on string value again, then type 4, then double click on that. Then you will type isc.org and click on OK and close it up. Again you have to press Windows plus R key, then type timedate.cpl, click on OK, click on internet time, click on change setting and select the another servers which we have created in regedit. Try these both servers one by one. Click on update now and check the date and time. If it doesn't work, then try with this one. Click on update now again. You can see this is not working. So whichever is working you can keep it that one. Then click on OK. click on OK again and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix time synchronization failed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.